students, class 9, welcome back to my video. In the last video that we had discussed already about the parts of speech, pronoun and its types, as well as noun its types. Today we will discuss third topic, that is adjective. So we will discuss its types also. So let's get started. Adjective. So I would like to just little focus on the adjectives statements, what it tells about. In earlier classes you have already read about this adjective, but to remind you, just see once again. Adjective is a describing word which are used to describe nouns and to add to their meanings. It means what? Nouns it describe. Adjective is such a word, इस प्रकार का शब्द है that describe about the nouns और pronouns, उसको describe करता है, वो स्पष्ट करता है कि कोई भी noun या pronoun के विषय में वो व्याख्या करता है कि किस तरह का है, और उसके और भी वो मीनिंगफुल उस नाउन के विषय में बनाता है. तो such words that we call adjective. So have a look an example, brave man. And here you can see man is a noun. What type of noun? Common noun. तो common noun man, and इसके आगे जो शब्द फॉलो कर रहा है brave man, and brave is a adjective word and it comes before the noun. कॉमन नाउन से पहले ये आया है, और ऐसे वर्ड इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग समथिंग अबाउट द कॉमन नाउन. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स क्वालिफाइज नाउन. सो वी कैन से दैट इट्स अ एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स brave. Now have a look to the several examples so that you will understand more. There was loud noise as I dropped the hard red box. Here Tanya is a happy child. This is small old stale and square pieces of cheese. And next one, I received an interesting book as a prize. So there are several types of sentences. इधर विभिन्न प्रकार के सेंटेंस है, और इस सेंटेंस में क्या बोल रहा है? What it is saying that it telling about the noun or a pronoun about its sound. In first sentence it is saying something about the sound, about the touch, about the color. So these type of something describing such particular words that are called adjective. So you can see that noise, what type of noise it is? Noise is an abstract noun. What type of noise it is? Loud noise. And loud noise is the adjective telling something, describing about the noise. And here you can say, see, I dropped the hard red box. And red is what? Red is the color of the box. That is telling something, describing about the common noun, that is box. That is qualified by red. It is telling something about the box, that is red, and that's why it is called adjective. Touch, about the touch also something is saying. The box is very hard to touch, so that is also something telling about the box, that is about its hardness. That's why it is also called a adjective of, because these words is qualified to the common noun. So it's an adjective, it's an adjective, it's an adjective, we can say that. Tanya is a happy child. Here about the telling something about the feelings, and that feelings comes under an abstract noun. So Tanya here, what type of child is Tanya? She is a child, child is a common noun, and that's why happy. Happy is qualified to child. That's why happy is the adjective. So it is comes under the feelings. See, this is the small old stall and square pieces of cheese. That means there is something. What something is telling about the cheese. And cheese, what size of cheese is? Small. And small is the telling something about the size of the cheese. And what type of size is? Small. Small is the qualified for cheese. That's why it comes adjective. Old, it is telling about the age. Something telling about the age as well as to someone. And this one is also comes under qualified to the with the nouns. So adjective. Stall, stall, it's also telling about the food. That is telling something about the food, that is which is स्मेलिंग सो बैडली, यानी कि गंदा बदबू दे रहा है, क्योंकि वो खाना क्या है? बासी है. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फूड इट इज? इट इज अ स्टॉल फूड, बासी खाना. एंड टेलिंग समथिंग अबाउट इट. सो स्टॉल क्वालिफाइड फूड, तो इसीलिए ये भी एडजेक्टिव. स्क्वायर पीस ऑफ चीज, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चीज? व्हाट टाइप ऑफ चीज? स्क्वायर टाइप चीज. तो इट्स ऑल्सो अ एडजेक्टिव. Why it is? Because it is telling about the cheese shape, and that's why square is qualified cheese, and cheese is a common noun. That's why it is adjective. And here also about the pieces of cheese. So that's why pieces, what type of pieces? Square shape, and that's why it is telling about the qualified, about the common noun. That's why square is the adjective. Now see, I received an interesting book as a prize. It is something telling about the opinion. I received an interesting. What type of book it is? What type of book it is? Interesting book. Interesting book. And interesting book as a prize. And interesting is the is qualified the common noun book, and that's why it's a adjective. Now let's talk about the adjective used attributively or used predicatively. So what are the difference of that? Because it tells about the placement of the adjective. Whenever in the sentence we are found that the placement of the adjective in this way, that it is telling about the placement of the एडजेक्टिव. एडजेक्टिव के प्लेसमेंट के बारे में किसी भी सेंटेंस में जब ये होता है तो उसके बारे में ये बताता है. तो क्या वो एडजेक्टिव एट्रीब्यूटिवली है या एडजेक्टिव प्रीडिकेटिवली है, तो इस टाइप से वो एडजेक्टिव सेंटेंस में एग्जिस्ट करता है. तो लेट अस फाइंड आउट हाउ इट इज. क्या है पहले इसका मतलब, पहले ये जानते हैं. Let us find out. An adjective is used attributively when it is joined to the noun which it is qualifies. तो यहाँ पे adjective attributively used, कोई adjective is used attributively. इसको attributively इसलिए बोला गया है क्योंकि जब कोई नाउन में एडजेक्टिव वर्ड जब जुड़ता है वो क्वालिफाई नाउन, दिए हुए नाउन में करता है, वो सच वर्ड्स हम लोग एट्रीब्यूटिवली वर्ड्स बोलते हैं. जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल वी कैन सी हियर अ ब्रेव बॉय. ब्रेव इज द क्वालिफाइड टू अ कॉमन नाउन, दैट इज बॉय. और इसको देखो, नाउन से पहले, कॉमन नाउन से पहले ब्रेव आया, कॉमन नाउन से पहले ब्रेव आया. दैट्स वाई ये क्वालिफाई किसको कर रहा है? नाउन को कर रहा है. क्वालिफाई नाउन को कर रहा है. कौन नाउन को? कॉमन नाउन जो कि बॉय है. तो बॉय से पहले एडजेक्टिव आया, एडजेक्टिव सच वर्ड्स इट्स क्वालिफाइड टू बॉय. तो ये वर्ड को हम लोग एडजेक्टिव बोलेंगे, और जो कि हम लोग एडजेक्टिव इज यूज्ड एट्रीब्यूटिवली बोलते हैं इसको. तो इस मैनर में लिखे हुए सेंटेंस को हम लोग, अब ब्रेव बॉय बोलने का मतलब ये सब्जेक्ट के अंदर आ गया. तो नाउन से पहले कोई भी एडजेक्टिव यूज होता है तो वो हम लोग उसको एन एडजेक्टिव एडजेक्टिव यूज एट्रीब्यूटिवली कहते हैं, एट्रीब्यूटिवली प्लेसमेंट टाइप किया गया है। अब दूसरा क्या है, प्रिडिकेटिवली। कब एडजेक्टिव को हम लोग प्रिडिकेटिवली यूज किया जाता है? प्रिडिकेटिवली जब वो किसी सेंटेंस का प्रिडिकेट का हिस्सा हो। हम लोग ने पढ़ा था इन सेंटेंस आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, वन part is subject and another part is predicate. That's why here you can say that, you can see in this example, the man is honest. See, the man is honest, it's a sentence, and so it is stand in a predicate. See, the man is, here is subject and start from here is predicate, and this predicate, this underline honest is the adjective. It is telling something about the speciality of man. इस व्यक्ति का कुछ स्पेशलिटी के बारे में बता रहा है जो कि ऑनेस्ट है। और ये किस में आया? ये यहां से आपका प्रिडिकेट शुरू होता है। दैट्स वाई ये जो एडजेक्टिव वर्ड है प्रिडिकेट के अंदर आने के कारण से इसको हम लोग प्रिडिकेटिवली कहते हैं। Now move to the next topic. 5 kinds of adjective. There are 5 kinds of adjective. 1. Adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. So these are the five kinds of adjective. We will discuss one by one. Okay. Okay. Well, let's discuss one by one about the kinds of adjective. So one, we have adjective of quality. Adjective of quality, what do I understand by adjective of quality? Quality, it is telling something about the speciality of a noun. Noun के speciality के बारे में बताने को ही हम लोग एक such words that is called quality. तो इसमें क्या है? It shows the quality or state of a noun. यानी कि क्वालिटी, उसके क्वालिटी या उसके स्टेट, यानी कि किस अवस्था में वो नाउन. इट इज टेलिंग, डिस्क्राइबिंग समथिंग अबाउट द स्टेट एंड क्वालिटी ऑफ द नाउन. तो वो किस प्रकार से डिस्क्राइब होगा कि हम लोग कैसे मालूम चलेगा कि देर इज ए वन की वर्ड, व्हाट काइंड. दैट मीन्स किस प्रकार का है वो, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नाउन इट इज. तो दैट मीन्स हियर ऑनेस्ट मैन. अब इस ऑनेस्ट मैन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मैन इट इज, सॉरी, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मैन ही इज, वो किस प्रकार का आदमी है, व्हाट काइंड. सो in order to find out the quality, whether it is adjective of quality or not, so that time we will use what kind of words. So for the quality, what kind, such words that you can ask the questions. So through this we can identify it's a adjective of quality, because this particular word stand for adjective of quality. So that's why honest man, what kind of man he is, honest man. That's why he is a honest man, and honest is qualifies common noun man. That's why honest is the adjective. Now another example, funny story. Funny story, what kind of story it is, yeah, what type of story it is, it's a funny story. The funny is the adjective of qualifiers of story. So in sentence, grandma told me a funny story. What kind of story? Funny story. And funny is the adjective of story. So let's move to the next topic, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity, it's a quantity, something about the measurement it is saying. So how much is the word of asking a questions. If in the sentence, if it is asking something about the quantity, then we will use how much, and how much it stand for the adjective of quantity. So that's why, so you have to keep it in mind that whenever the quantity is used, there is some particular words that we are used कुछ शब्द ऐसे होते हैं जो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में ही वो यूज किया जाता है, जिसे हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते। दैट्स वाई इधर देखो, सम फूड, सम फूड, सम फूड, हाउ मच द फूड इज, कितना फूड है वहाँ पे। तो दैट्स वाई फूड को तो हम लोग गिन नहीं सकते। तो अनकाउंटेबल एडजेक्टिव आर अनकाउंटेबल वर्ड्स फॉर कॉमन नाउन। तो इसीलिए सम इज द यूज फॉर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन। तो फूड इज अनकाउंटेबल, तो इसीलिए सम इज द एडजेक्टिव दैट इज क्वालिफाइड फूड। तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे क्या है, आई गेव द पुअर मैन सम फूड, कितना फूड दिया, सम फूड, थोड़ा। तो दैट्स वाई सम इज द एडजेक्टिव एंड इट्स क्वालिफाइड कॉमन नाउन फूड। सो सम इज द एडजेक्टिव, adjective. Now much work, how much the work, much work, that means I have much work to do, कितना काम, काम को तो गिन नहीं सकते, तो much it is suitable word, that's why this word is qualified work, common noun work, and that's why much is the adjective, much is the adjective that qualified work. So these are the adjective of quantity. So in order to find the quantity, we have to use how much is the asking of questions, so that through these words we can identify that is adjective of quantity. Now have a look adjective of numbers. Numbers, that means that we can count, and so in that adjective of number that we can count, and the things that we can count is directly it can be say that adjective of number. Adjective of number हम लोग कह सकते हैं कैसे, how much, by using the words how much, how many करके कह सकते हैं, यानी कि कितना, तो कितना, और इन व्हाट ऑर्डर, यानी कि किस ऑर्डर में, किस उसमें लिखा गया। तो एट लेग्स, अब जैसे ये लेग्स ऑफ हुज, किसका, द स्पाइडर के 8 लेग्स होते हैं, तो 8 लेग्स वी कैन काउंट, एंड हाउ मेनी लेग्स आर देयर, सो दैट्स वी कैन से दैट एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर, एंड दैट्स व्हाई 8 इज द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिफायर्स कॉमन नाउन लेग्स, and that's why 8 is a adjective, because it's a adjective of number. And here many twice, how many twice are there, there are many twice, that means she has many twice, and many is the adjective, and that's why adjective qualifies common noun twice. Let's move to the next topic, demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective, don't get confused, because it points out the noun spoken of, the person who are spoken about something, that particular person is denoting for the adjective, demonstrative adjective. That tree is very big. Which tree is very big? That tree, and that tree is the demonstrative adjective. Why it is so? Because it is telling something about the tree also. That tree, what, big, it is big in size, that's why it is stand for demonstrative adjective. Those men who are lazy, whose men are lazy, those men, that means those is a demonstrative adjective. What type of men they are lazy men, and lazy, because of lazy, those words become a demonstrative adjective. So these are the demonstrative adjective. Let's move to the next interrogative adjective. When some interrogative word like what, which, whose, etc. used with a noun to ask a questions, then we say that interrogative adjective. When, जब कोई इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड्स जैसे व्हाट, विच, हुज, ये सारे वर्ड अगर नाउन के साथ लगता है, नाउन के साथ लगता है, तब इसको हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं। तो उसके लिए हम लोग का क्या बोला है, नाउन शुड बी देयर, नाउन उसमें होना जरूरी है एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, उसको एक्सप्रेस स्पष्ट करने के लिए, और अंडरस्टैंड, और या तो नाउन नहीं होने पर भी उसको उस सेंटेंस को पढ़ने पर वो नाउन है करके उसको समझ सके, समझा जा सके, उसको अंडरस्टूड। देयर इज नाइन लाइक ए इंपरेटिव सेंटेंस, जैसे शट द डोर बोलने से देयर इज समवन ऑर्डर टू अदर पर्सन्स दैट to shut the door, that means you go and shut the door, and you is understood. That's why in the same, in interrogative adjective there is same cases. If there is no return of noun, then noun is should be understood, तब हम लोग इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कह सकते हैं। नाउन पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव जिसमें डिस्क्राइबिंग हु ओन्स व्हाट, यानी कि माई, आवर, योर, हिज एसेट्रा, वाट एवर इट इज, हु ओन्स व्हाट, यानी कि नाउन जस्ट कम्स आफ्टर, नाउन जस्ट कम्स आफ्टर, यानी कि इनके बाद जो भी नाउन आते हैं वही क्या करते हैं, क्वालिफाई करते हैं। तो ये दीज ऑल आर क्वालिफाइड वर्ड, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल इट्स अ पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव। Thank you for watching and see you in the next video of another topic. Till then.